We are at CSX Queensgate Yard. CSX and Guest Street yards in action. First section is from the Western Hills Viaduct, which carries Harrison Avenue over the heart of Queensgate Yard. The mainline tracks run along the east side of the yard. Norfolk-Southern Guest Street Yard is wedged between the CSX main line and the south end of Queensgate Yard. A remote control hump job shoves cars over the Queensgate hump as a train that has just arrived at the yard cuts off its power and goes to the locomotive servicing facility just under the viaduct. The NS Intermodal Yard is shown unloading UPS trailers. The little brown building in the scene is known as the North End Shanty.